What's going on, guys? So I've been obsessed with home modifications and marketing home modifications. And I want you to think about this. This was inspired by David Whitfield. And I was just thinking, like, why are we not doing this every single day? So imagine you pull up to a patient's house. Imagine you use your own house. I'm getting out of my car. I'm gonna spin you guys around. And so here's my walkway. This is literally the walkway to my house. Now, as I'm talking to and explaining to people on YouTube, I could say, you know, here is a classic entryway to a home. This is about a 10-inch riser. So what are the options for your mom or dad who are having difficulty getting up that step? Well, obviously there's no handrail here. So we can have a handrail that goes up and in. If that step is too large, certainly there's ample room here for a ramp, but maybe mom or dad doesn't like the way a ramp looks. So what we could do is, starting from this line right here, we could put 3 graduated steps getting up to the top. So instead of a 10-inch step, we've got maybe 5 2-inch steps. And we've got our handrail that's gonna go right here. And I would carry that handrail right up to the front door. And so once mom or dad gets to the front door, they're gonna grab on here. Maybe they don't have the finger dexterity and the thumb, so we're gonna make a recommendation for a new doorknob. Certainly we've got the Ring doorbell, so that heaven forbid if something was to happen to mom or dad coming home, you would get a notification there to your cell phone, the adult child's cell phone. We could talk about grab bars, we can talk about a hook if they're carrying bags and they need to hang something to get into the house. We could have hooks here to hang their bags. Guys, there are so many things that we can do from a home mods perspective. Just in education, this would be the great thing. So now, I just did the entryway, right? Now I go in and I do the stairs and I do the bathroom and I do the kitchen and I do a full tour of the house, room by room, video by video, establishing yourself as the expert and helping those individuals who maybe aren't gonna hire you, can't hire you, but at least can get the client thinking and realizing, oh, there's more options out there. There's more things that we can do. I'm gonna find a local home mods expert. Just some more ideas, guys. Let me know what you do with it. I'll catch you later.